So Tanya, can you educate us a little bit about how this works and what we're looking at?
Sure. So the difference between something like Botox and dermal fillers is Botox is considered a neuromodulator, which works on the muscle activity alone. Okay. So when we inject that type of product, it's only going to control your muscle action. When we talk about dermal fillers, as you can see here, the image on the left, we have a pre-filled syringe, and we inject that into the skin, and it's going to fill up a space within the tissue that we're trying to treat. So that dermal filler is used to actually increase volume. So they work a little bit differently, but they work very well together. So you can come in and have your Botox and your dermal filler in the same treatment.
Now back to aging 101, Tanya, we can discuss this because we're losing elasticity and then we're losing that density, and that dermal filler sort of replenishing that. Is that correct?
Yes. Yeah, so with dermal fillers, you're trying to replace lost volume. That can be from fat or sagging tissue. And it's really interesting to understand how these dermal fillers have evolved. So we have many options that are available now, whereas before we just maybe had 2 or 3. So there's different thicknesses, there's different amounts, different sizes, so we can kind of customize for each patient the amount of filler that they're going to need to give them the best outcome.
And let's talk a little bit about that, because I think sometimes a patient comes in, like you said, there's so many products on the market. How do you know what works best for you? You might be a little overwhelmed. I don't know what to use. You hear Juvederm, you hear Kylabella.
Yeah.
How many are there, and how do they work?
There's very many. I think we have a total of 14 or 15 on the market now, with new ones coming out this year, actually. I was just at a meeting and we were discussing those new fillers that are about to come onto the market. Now, Europe is way ahead of us in that, so we kind of follow in line with whatever works over there. But when I'm discussing things with patients, I try not to overwhelm them with which product to choose. It's more about, what are we looking to correct? What issue are you trying to address? And then based on that, I'll make my recommendations as to which fillers would be the best ones to give them that result.